Hi everyone, welcome back to the playlist. In this video, we're covering Tab Label Content Mapper. If you want tabs that update automatically, without manually adding pages one by one, this is the module you'll use. Let's start with the problem. In Confluence, teams usually organize content in two ways. Either they build a manual hub page and keep updating links forever, or they rely on the page tree, and users still struggle to find the right page. And the biggest issue is maintenance. As soon as new pages are created, the hub becomes outdated. So the real problem is, your navigation doesn't stay in sync with your content. So now that we know what's failing, let's fix it with an automatic, label-driven hub. That's exactly what Tab Label Content Mapper does. It creates tabs based on labels. So instead of picking pages manually, you define a label, and the mapper pulls in pages that match it. You can also refine results using CQL if needed. Results in the hub stays updated automatically. Let's build it step by step. Create labeled pages, insert the mapper, configure it, publish, and test the output. Step 1. Create pages plus apply labels. First, I create a few pages that belong to the same topic. For example, API overview, authentication, rate limits. Troubleshooting. Now I apply the same label to each page. For example, I add the label API Docs. This label is the key, because this is what the hub will use to collect pages automatically. All right, pages are ready and labeled. Now we'll build the hub page and insert the Tab Label Content Mapper. Step 2, create/open the hub page. Now I open the hub page in edit mode. This is where the tabbed navigation will live. Next, we insert the module. This takes just a few seconds. Step 3, insert tab label, content mapper. Click Insert plus, search for tab label, content mapper, and insert it into the page. Once it's inserted, configuration is where the magic happens. Labels define what shows up. Step 4, configure the mapper. Now let's configure it. First, I enter the label we used, API Docs. This tells the module, find all pages with this label. Next, I choose the navigation style. Tabs, if I want quick switching. Or drop-down, if there are many pages. Now, optional, if I want tighter control. I can add a CQL filter. For example, filter by space, or restrict results to a page location, or sort by updated date. Then I check the preview. I make sure the right pages are being pulled into the hub, and I confirm the tab order looks clean. Looks good. Now we publish the page, and we'll test the real experience in view mode. Step 5, publish the page. Now I click Publish. Now we're live, so let's verify the output and prove the hub stays updated. So users stay in one place and still consume multiple pages cleanly. Now here's the best part. I create a new page, and I add the same label, API Docs. When I return to the hub, that new page appears automatically. No manual updates, no outdated index pages. So the problem was, manual hubs don't scale, and navigation becomes outdated fast. And the solution is, Tab Label Content Mapper builds an auto-updating hub using labels, optionally refined using CQL. Result, navigation stays current, and users find content faster. That's it for Tab Label Content Mapper. Next, we'll cover Tab Confluence Page Mapper, the curated approach when you want full control over exactly which pages appear. See you in the next video.